Okay, this is a 2016 Ford F550 with a 6.7 Power Stroke, 2-wheel drive, got 120,000 miles, 6,000 pound Summit crane, the Van Air AC40 hydraulic compressor, 2 reels, one for fresh oil, one for the waste oil. I'm going to walk around the truck a little bit. Nice stack of drawers there. Body's in really good shape. A little corrosion. These doors are aluminum. The body is steel. Sometimes these doors get a little corrosion on the hinges. Truck's been serviced and gone through. Power windows and locks and mirrors. The torch gas reel. Plenty of storage. Tread all around. Has your air reel, some more drawers, and your control center here. And I just wanted to run the crane out real quick. Air compressor. Crane extends out 21 feet, and like I said, it's a 6,000 pound crane. I don't have the winch unhooked, so I'm not going to take it out all the way. There we go. Variable speed toggle, so the crane does operate smooth. It operates a little rough just because the operator. Got a couple of vices in the back, 18-inch platform here. It does have a The vise here, the handle is broke, that needs to be replaced. You got your oil tanks in the back, your Lincoln pump, and your evac pumps back behind that wall. There you have our 2016 Ford F550, only 120,000 miles.